hearing on the Internal Revenue Service's fiscal year 2013 budget request in the 2012 tax filing season. Hardworking American taxpayers have faced incredible challenges over the last several years. Many have struggled with unemployment, sluggish economic growth, and doubt about our country's economic future because of out-of-control spending and looming public debt. And then tax season comes around. The tax code, which has tripled in size since 1975, continues to burden American families and small businesses with too many taxes, too many loopholes, and too many pages. It's estimated that the average taxpayer spends 21 hours and over $250 complying with the tax code each year. They must keep track with an increasingly complex and difficult to understand tax code, or at least hire someone else who does. The Internal Revenue Service, of course, has the unenviable job of administering and enforcing our convoluted tax code. As we meet today, we are in the middle of the 2012 tax return filing season, and millions of taxpayers and employers are willing to meet their tax filing obligations. Some have reported experiencing delays in receiving tax refunds, and programming errors at IRS have delayed some 6 million returns, which we will discuss at today's hearing. We will also talk about the frustrating issue of tax fraud and improper payments. Taxpayers are exasperated because while they work so hard to comply with the tax code, they see press reports of thieves robbing the Treasury of billions of dollars each year. One recent press report detailed how an identity theft ring in Florida committed $130 million in fraud through stolen Social Security numbers. On top of this fraud, tens of billions of dollars of taxpayer money is lost every year through improper payments of refundable tax credits, including $17 billion a year for the Earned Income Tax Credit alone. Finally, we'll talk about the administration's fiscal year 2013 budget request for the IRS. For fiscal year 2013, the administration has requested nearly $13 billion in appropriations for the agency, an increase of 8% from fiscal year 2012. Included in this request are over $360 million and nearly 900 new employees to implement portions of the Affordable Care Act, including the new insurance subsidy and the controversial individual mandate penalty. We look forward to discussing this and the other new initiatives that the IRS plans for fiscal year 2013. With that, I would like to welcome Commissioner Douglas Shulman here today, and I look forward to a fruitful discussion of his agency, his mission, and the ongoing tax return filing season. Before I yield to the ranking member, Mr. Lewis, I ask unanimous consent from all members written statements be included in the record. Without objection, so ordered. I will also ask unanimous consent that GAO's report on the 2011 tax filing season and fiscal year 2012 budget request be included in the record. Without objection, so ordered. Mr. Lewis?